Hello, you beautiful heathens. Today, you have the pleasure of watching me paint my very own 1976 Chevy Blazer K5. This thing was an original white Blazer, which that's pretty boring, so I'm gonna do Hawaiian blue. And it's a GM color. This big, beautiful beast is gonna get sprayed on today, and it's gonna be great. So get ready for a Hawaiian blue showdown. For prep, I started by, obviously I primed it. As you can see, it's gray. I D8'd it with a 320 as recommended on the tech sheet for the primer I used. Then I went in, block sanded it by hand. I cleaned it over with water and Dawn dish soap 2 times over. Only twice because I thought my second clean was with wax and grease remover, which I went ahead and did. So wax and greased it too. Kind of took away all that prep in this video. You guys just get to see the fun. But now I'm gonna go in with a tack cloth. It's that final step. I'm gonna tack cloth everything down. I'm gonna put some nice blue gloves on so I have no grease getting on this ride. Then we'll start shooting. All right, the paint has been mixed. Let's do this. Okay, so we've got the first coat down. One thing I'll say, wear one of these.
There you go.
Dude.
Yep.
It's been 48 hours. Everything's definitely smoothed out, I have to say. I'm pretty happy with the finish. Our next step, we are gonna mask everything up, and the top is already primered, so we're just gonna mask everything around and spray the top in its original 76 color polar. Okay, so everything is masked. Ignore my unconventional masking. I ran out of plastic. I just got in a new mask. It's always a great feeling when you have some nice fresh filters, and you know, the whole health thing too, that's kind of important. Everything's prepped. I've got wax and grease remover. I scuffed it. I blew out all of the dust, so it should be ready to go. I've got the factory 1976 white that we're gonna be using. Single stage, 4-1-1 mixing ratio. It's beautiful. Let's do it. I have to say that I am extremely impressed with how this paint laid down. That Hawaiian blue just totally pops. This is a light buff and wax, and it's sat for a couple days. I have done a few details. I know you guys can see the Lund visor. You can see the blue on this side. Just really pops. Redid the mirrors. Threw in that really fun blue interior with the blue console. We've got the blue navy carpet, as well as you can see some nice trim options. The shop is extra full today. This is my new acquisition. It's got a fully built 350, 30 over bore, brand new exhaust, complete engine overhaul. This thing is loud and as mean as it looks.
Hell, this thing has tilt wheel, dude. Did you know that?
I really hope that you guys appreciated this video and seeing the paint process of my 76 Blue Blazer. I'm still wiping cobwebs up out of my brain after a massive road trip. And I am so happy to finally work on this. You guys are gonna see a video on this very soon, and more behind the scenes on some of these builds that I'm up to. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.